Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video, and as you can see right behind me, we're at Ross. We're going to be hitting up a few today. We're at the first one of the day, and let's go inside. So I've already been through all the shoe aisles and I haven't found anything, but I did find this. It kind of caught my eye. It's a Project Rock t-shirt. It was only $10. I've actually never found one before, so I'm going to look this up, see how much it goes for. And then I found this Statue of Liberty Nike t-shirt. It says NYC on the collar. Only $13, so I'm gonna look that up as well. And that's been everything so far. So I didn't find anything in this store. It happens, and now we're going to the next store. Just arrived at the second Ross of the day, and we're gonna head inside. Let's see what we find. So I did end up picking up a few things, as you can see, but as promised, I will show you everything at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. Hey guys, so we stopped by at a Burlington that was close by, so we're gonna head in now and let's see what we find. So as you can see, another successful trip. And I didn't actually, they had a restock and I caught it, but it was all trash. I'm gonna show you guys a picture right here of what it looked like. And yeah, I was disappointed about that. But we're gonna go to maybe a few more stores and let's see what we get. So this money that I'm holding right here in my hand, guys, is what I would have lost out on because I asked some lady that was helping me with my purchases. I asked her to scan it to see how much it cost. I didn't end up taking it, but she still scanned it as if I was gonna purchase it. So right before I walked out of the store, I checked my receipt and I was still able to get my money back. So make sure to always check your receipts. What's up, guys? So now at the next Ross, and let's go inside and see what we find. Hey guys, so this is the last store of the day. We're gonna hit up this Burlington right here. Let's go inside. Don't you guys hate it when you guys find the right shoe but it's not the right price? These are $70, so it's kind of pricey, but we'll see. I might pick it up. I'm still debating. Hey guys, so now it's the end of the video, and I just kind of want to address everything that's been going on. This video was actually recorded about 4 months ago, and everything that was found in this video, I already sold it, so fortunately I can't show you guys my finds like I always do. But I just wanted to thank everyone who's been reaching out to me the time that I haven't been uploading anything. I had people reach out to me, obviously on YouTube, on Instagram, TikTok, and just saying when I was gonna upload, and I just appreciate you guys still remembering about me and just showing love and support, you know, and just thank you to you guys. And also I haven't really even been uploading because I've been focusing more on my business, trying to find those little tweaks and things that are gonna make it better, and the simple things. It's all about those little simple things that makes your life easier, and I can't wait to show you guys everything that I've learned so far. And yeah, just also too, my dad is normally the one who records my videos. He pretty much runs everything as far as editing, recording, so that's why the videos always look nice and cinematic, you know. So he's really good at what he does, and his business was also booming and it was doing really well. So he had a lot of work. I was focusing on doing more research, and I just feel like right now is a good time to start again. So yeah, I just kind of want to address everything like I said, and I am going to be uploading more consistently now and just being on YouTube again, and yeah, just can't wait to be here again. I love YouTube and it's always been fun for me, and yeah, thank you guys for tuning in again, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later, guys.